Girls Beauty.
Hey beauties, Andrea. This video is going to be real quick, showing you guys exactly how I wrap my hair before bed. Curly hair, right? Whether I do a overnight curly hairstyle or just my normal wash and go to just go to bed, right? I will only be using three things. My forever loved pocket bonnet. You can find this at Walmart. Yeah, very inexpensive. My satin headband is satin in the inside. And my satin elastic, which you can find down below, all of it. You don't have to use the satin elastic. Most of the time I do, sometimes I don't, but hey, here it is. Yeah, let's see how I prepare my curly hair to go to bed at night and get something like this in less than 2 minutes. Legit. Let's go. So I am going to show it to you guys at the end of a curly hair routine day. Like, this is probably at the end of first day here. Right here, I already have my satin headband around my neck, and now here is my satin elastic, scrunchie. I'm going to turn my head upside down and put my ponytail right in the front of my head, my forehead. All right, I only go twice with the elastic. Depends how big your elastic is. Make sure it's not too tight, and it's right in the front so you won't mess up your curls. The curls at the very top of your head, the ones closer to your forehead, you know. So make sure everything stays curlier than when you would put your ponytail in the back or at the very top. So right in the front, right there. And then use my pocket bonnet, my under $3 pocket bonnet, and put it all in there. Yes, the ends are going to scrunch up, but again, this is crunching up motion. It'll be all right, and your hair will stay curly. And that's when you tie it, and it'll stay at the very top. You won't even lay on it. That's the best part. And you go to bed. That's it. In the morning, when you wake up, yes, in this demonstration, taking it out, I am showing you guys on a overnight hairstyle that I did, the dry twist out. I'm going to leave the tutorial down below, but that was a low ponytail that I did, doing the same things afterwards. I always shake my head before I separate anything, really. And that is really it. This is it, guys. This is it. Well, you guys always ask me how I go to bed. And this is not only how I style my hair in the morning, like if I'm going to leave it out, but also how I keep my edges looking pretty and laid, I guess, right? That's what I usually hear, laid. But that's it. That's really it. Again, I only use these three on my hair when I'm about to go to bed. The pocket bonnet, the headband, and the satin elastic. These three, and that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to also check out my website. I got the .com back, so curlsbeauty.com for my t-shirt merches. I have the quote, and I also have the hashtag Curls Embrace. Bye guys. Mwah. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you guys.